Well, hello everyone, this is me, Push again, and we're doing a 1,221 free-throw match. So anyways guys, if any of you guys are new to the channel, or if your accounts full up, please subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to my girlfriend Harmony as well. It will indeed help the both of us out a lot, guys. Anyways, without further ado, here we go. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. Ooh, where do I get this Kazakh kill then? Yes! Right from the start. Dang it, he has the built-in quantum radar. Yay! Getting another kill now. This is quite satisfied. We're like doing good right now. Yay! And there comes the rampage now of destructions. Yeah, incredible. Dang it, so much for the lucky chances. Oh wait. How incredible. We even can maybe get this kill then. Yeah, this is quite serious right now. We're getting way too many kills at this rate. Yay! Eliminating this Titan. No! We lost it. We literally lost that kill. Yeah, what can I say? We're doing quite good for the time being. So far, we are indeed winning this. Never mind, he just got the first. Just like that. And I'm about to get the first back. Just like that. Wow. Yeet. I'm mad insane right now, I know. I've just gotten too many kills is probably what is happening right now. Yay! I gotta say, this is too close here, guys. This is quite a close result, alright. And just like that, first place again. Why? Oh, dang it. I knew it. I literally knew it. Trying to find much of a safer place. But he just realizes that I'm just coming in and taking this first place again. At least he doesn't have the built-in quantum radar. And unlike this, just because I don't feel like losing this so soon. This is quite a close game, guys. Whoever gets this win is the mighty winner, for sure. Nice try, but now it's all about the last stand now, basically. The last stand appearance and first place! Yes! Yes, that means I basically win this game. This shows how mighty I was. I was such a mighty pro. I did not even expect this would happen. Just like that. This is how a real pro does it, guys. This is a pro move. I can't believe it. We showed how much of a pro we were out there. And it was a huge success, too. $1.4 million. I don't care about the damage so but I just care about seeing how much we did. What do you know, guys? How did this even happen? Let's see what he had. Okay. Level 39 Titan domain. Quite normal. Yeah, level 8 Ares, level 7 Scorpion, level 7 Oshun, level 5 Blitz, and a level 6 Finya. That stealth mode must have been his stealth corner, though. You do gotta admit that, guys. But what is this, guys? What is this? What is this results right here? That's right, it was such a close game. I even had the damage rate going, too. Screenshot this, and a good night to all. To all it shares memories that we'll never forget. I'll never forget this moment because this will be an epic moment to put in this video. Scrap moment. 13 kills to enemy 6 at 12 kills. I'm really gonna tell you, this is close. I did not even expect the tensest round out of all. I really thought one particular round was quite intense, but this one definitely brought the salt and vinegar and stuff to the table and stuff. Me, enemy 6 and 5 were all tied at the damage output at least. Enemy 4 had 1.2 million though. So yeah, tell me what you thought in the comments down below. How this pro move intense video went. After quite some time, I was really hoping this moment would happen. And guess what, guys? We made it come true. We made it finally happen. And this is what happens when you don't give up so easily. You must have you gotta admit, you also gotta have the pro setup, and you gotta time it at the right possible moment. Few moments we missed, some shots, but if it had enough rhythm for this case, we would have not gotten this intense round, guys. Trust me on this one. Trust me for sure. With all your heart dependent right on this gameplay. We did have a massive kill streak going for so long. We even got 101 honor points. The domination of 101, guys. Domination, yeah. Honor points, 2,733. And yeah, 1.4. To us, that did very well. Cheers! This goes to show, guys. You really must show your effort, and you really must show your courage, your brave skills, and don't be afraid to lose out a couple of battles, because that will normally just happen, guys. It's just natural for that to happen. So yeah, I better wrap this video up, or otherwise it will get to the 15-minute mark, guys. So here it is, me as a true hero, guys. I was a complete hero success, guys. It was the scores of 13 to 12. Now we're here hoping the next round could even be much more intensive than this. Here's what I'm challenging now, guys. I'm challenging myself to get an even more intensive situation than ever before. Oh, I'm sorry to say, guys. Unfortunately, this video is coming to an end now, so Christian signing off. Bye-bye. Yeah. So cool, right? It was super cool how I ended up dominating so fast. Just like that. A definite end for sure. Yes!